Common challenges in prompt engineering. Welcome to this presentation on the common challenges in prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting effective prompts for language models, which are the foundation of many modern AI applications. In this presentation, we will explore some of the key challenges that prompt engineers often face and discuss strategies to overcome them. One of the primary challenges in prompt engineering is achieving the desired output from the language model. Language models are trained on vast amounts of data, but they may not always produce the exact response you're looking for. Prompt engineers need to carefully craft their prompts to elicit the desired behavior from the model, which can be a delicate and iterative process. Another challenge is ensuring the safety and ethical considerations of the language model's outputs. Language models can sometimes generate content that is biased, offensive, or even harmful. Prompt engineers must be mindful of these potential issues and incorporate safeguards into their prompts to mitigate these risks. Maintaining consistency and coherence across multiple prompts and responses is also a significant challenge. Language models can sometimes produce outputs that are inconsistent or lack logical flow, which can be confusing for users. Prompt engineers need to carefully structure their prompts and monitor the model's outputs to ensure a seamless and coherent user experience. Prompt engineering also requires a deep understanding of the language model's capabilities and limitations. Different models may have different strengths and weaknesses, and prompt engineers need to be aware of these nuances to craft effective prompts. This can be particularly challenging when working with large, complex language models that are constantly evolving. Finally, prompt engineering often involves a significant amount of trial and error. Prompt engineers may need to experiment with different variations of their prompts, test them, and iterate until they find the right approach. This can be a time-consuming and resource-intensive process, but it's essential for achieving the desired results. In summary, the common challenges in prompt engineering include achieving the desired output, ensuring safety and ethical considerations, maintaining consistency and coherence, understanding the language model's capabilities and limitations, and navigating the trial and error process. By addressing these challenges, prompt engineers can create more effective and reliable language model applications that deliver value to users. To illustrate one of the challenges, let's consider a simple example. Imagine you want to use a language model to generate a short story. Your initial prompt might be, write a short story about a person who discovers a magical object. However, the model might generate a response that is not quite what you had in mind, perhaps focusing too much on the magical object and not enough on the character's journey. To address this, you might try refining your prompt to be more specific, such as, write a short story about a person who discovers a magical amulet and must learn to use its powers to overcome a personal challenge. This more detailed prompt can help guide the language model to produce a response that is more aligned with your desired outcome. Of course, this is just a simple example, and the actual process of prompt engineering can be much more complex. But it illustrates the importance of carefully crafting prompts and iterating on them to achieve the desired results.